Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer funds from your wallet to the exchange on Binance using a step-by-step guide so you can start trading or selling your crypto. Whether you have funds in your funding wallet from a P2P trade or you are moving assets from the integrated Web3 wallet, I will show you the fastest way to get your money into your spot account. If your funds are already inside the Binance app, in your funding wallet, the process is instant and completely free. You should open the Binance app, tap on the asset icon at the bottom right, and select the funding tab at the top. Click on the transfer button, and on the next screen, ensure the from field is set to funding and to the to field is set to spot wallet. You then select the specific cryptocurrency you want to move, such as USDT or Bitcoin. Enter the amount and tap on Confirm Transfer. Your funds will move immediately to your spot account so you can use them in the exchange for trading or withdrawing to your bank. If you are trying to move funds from the decentralized Binance Web3 wallet back to the exchange, the steps are slightly different. You should open your Web3 wallet within the Binance app and tap on the Send button. Instead of typing in a long address, you should select the option that says Binance Deposit Address or Transfer to Exchange. You will then select the token and then the network you want to use. It is very important to make sure you have a small amount of native token like BNB for the Binance Smart Chain to cover the network gas fees.